Hey there, Daniel Carfix, and today I'm going to install this battery tender, or aka battery maintainer, on my motorcycle. And so I bought this online. It cost about 15 bucks. And because I don't ride with my motorcycle very often, and every now and then I see that my battery is not fully charged, I'm just going to put a maintainer and not worry about it. So it comes with these. I guess these are if you want to charge the battery, but you don't want to just install the other piece. Alright, so this is what I'm going to install in the battery, and this is the actual tender, and it's a 1 amp tender, and it's automatic on and off. So when it's fully charged, it's going to turn off, and you just park your bike, you plug it in the outlet, and that's it. So let's get this installed. And these are the tools I'm going to use. Well, very simple. A 6mm Allen to remove the seat, 10mm ratchet. This is also to remove the VTX 1800 seat, and a screwdriver for the battery for disconnecting the terminals. So let's get to it. So you're going to take a 6mm Allen, and you're going to take the screws so you can pull out the seat from the bike. Now you just pull up the seat, and as you can see, you have access to the battery. So let's get our terminal cable and install it. Now you want to make sure you get the negative out first, and then you do the positive. Okay, so what you want to do, right, you want to have the red and the positive and the black and the negative. You just want to spread them out so they both go like this, and you want to do, of course, the positive first. So let's connect that first. Right, make the positive connection here. Okay, now we're going to place our tender right over here. So this is where it's going to be. Now we just have to come back with this. Just want to, make sure this is good. Yep. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. Tender this way. What I want to do, I want to connect these right? I'm gonna go connect first. I'm gonna connect the tender. So as you can see now, it's charging. So it's a 1 amp. When it's fully charged, it's gonna come here. Oh, see it's green. That's fully charged. So that's what you wanna look for in a tender. That's it. I hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you.